Today we will look at this circuit. The equation for this looks like this. As we know, we can also write an equation with the same operands for a NAND as NOT. We now remove both dashes and the brackets. We call this operation AND. As already explained, NAND stands for NOT AND. Now let's build this circuit. To do this, we call our Python script with the following program line. We rename the created file again. We open the script and import the NAND. We write the calculate method. To do this, we simply translate the original circuit into code. To do this, we also create the fast method. And can also be understood as multiplication, and that's how we calculate the result here. Now we adjust the panel, the main and init. Now we create the circuit with our new circuit. We look at all possible combinations. Now let's look at some calculation rules. First we replace b with 0. As we see, this always results in 0. Now we replace b with 1 and notice that the result is always a. This happens if we take a for both operands. Now we give both a and not a as operands. And as expected, the result is always 1. In the next video we'll look at the OR circuit.